how can you insert a picture on Google Docs? Inserting a picture on Google Docs is as easy as you can do it on Microsoft Word. You can go here, insert image. You can also choose from your drive, photos, by your or your camera perhaps. If you want to upload it from the web, you just, let's say, flower, just image here and wait until it finishes. If it get downloaded, you can see that the detail is different if it haven't finished downloading yet. Then you can copy right, so then you can just Control V like there, or if you want to drag it from your computer, you can also do this. Oh, this is so annoying. So symbol this line picture here, you just select it and drag it here like so, and it's done. That's how you will able to upload a picture on Google Docs.